Hello YouTube, this is Pure Legit BMX XD with my first bike check. Okay, first we will start with my tire. My tire is an Odyssey Aiken, and then my rim is a Alienation, and my frame and forks and handlebars are all stock, and so is my stem. And my grips are ODI long necks, and my brake handle is a Fly Bike brake handle, which is a racing bike company. My back tire is an Animal GLH, and my back rim is a Colony Contour. And you can see my chain is a Shadow yellow chain, half link, and Colony pedals. And I also have a stock seat.